In this video, we want to talk about the mass action block. And the mass action block lets us move and delete activities and content within our course in a larger context. So first thing I want to do is I'm going to open up the block drawer. This is a block and it's not listed here yet, so I'm going to turn editing on. I'm going to go to add block and go to mass actions. So here I see the mass action block. And because I have edit mode on, you'll see this little checkbox by each activity or piece of content within the course. And for any of those items, we have a list of things that we can do. So for instance, if I go down here to topic 1, I can grab these two items. I can hide both of them, so this is a way of hiding a large group, or if you have them hidden, to show a large group. I can duplicate all of them, so this duplicate would duplicate both the content and group assignment here. I can duplicate to another course, so if I click on this, I can select my course. And for instance here, I'm going to grab another course, and once I do, if I choose that course, it will not only let me select the course, but what topic within that course that I want to send it to. So I could send this to topic 1 in this other course and change topics, things like that. I'm going to cancel out of that. Additionally, if we look at items here, we can delete. So this is an easy way to delete a bunch of pieces. And I also like this new one here. If I click on this, if I've added something to this file or changed this in some significant way, I can send content change notifications, and that sends it out to all users within the course. This is what this is going to look like. So I did a piece of content earlier that was a syllabus, and it simply sends that out from the instructor. I'm the instructor in this class, and it says basically this resource in the course has been changed. And if they click on that, that'll go to the course, that'll go to the resource within the course. So that's an easy way. If you make it a change to an assignment or just a file within the course, you can send that notification. Also, we can move a couple of items here to another section within this course, just moving them, and we can move them and duplicate them. So the originals will stay where they are, the new ones will show up in the new location. So mass action block lets you pick a number of items and do actions with that. Also up here at the top, we didn't talk about, there's a select all, which will pick everything in the course, so we could hide those instantly. Deselect all will take them all, and also we can select simply everything within a topic. So everything that we talked about, so that would select everything within topic 1, and then we would have these items to do that as well.